Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something exciting and educational for all the coin enthusiasts out there. We'll be diving into the fascinating world of numismatics, exploring the history and value of the 20 SEN Bank Negara Malaysia 2012 coin. So, if you're curious about this unique piece of currency, you're in the right place. Before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's get started. The 20 SEN Bank Negara Malaysia 2012 coin is a remarkable piece of Malaysian currency. This coin, issued by Bank Negara Malaysia, holds both historical significance and numismatic value. Let's delve into its history first. The Bank Negara Malaysia issued Malaysian ringgit coins in 6 different denominations, including this 20 SEN coin Malaysia Con series. They are part of the Malaysian ringgit and SEN coins series. The Bank Negara Malaysia started issuing these 0.2 Malaysian ringgit coins in 1989. They were withdrawn from circulation in 2011. The Malaysian 20 SEN coin, made from cupronickel, depicts a sirih high havel leaf and kapur, batame container. Betel leaves are chewed with lime as a traditional snack in Malaysia. In 2012, Bank Negara Malaysia released this coin as part of their efforts to commemorate Malaysia's rich cultural heritage and economic progress. The obverse side of the coin features the national flower, the hibiscus, symbolizing growth and prosperity. On the reverse side, you'll find the denomination, 20 SEN, along with intricate designs that reflect the country's diverse cultural heritage. Now, let's talk about the value of this coin. While the 20 SEN Bank Negara Malaysia 2012 coin holds sentimental value for many collectors, its monetary worth can vary based on several factors. The coin's condition, rarity, and demand from collectors all play a role in determining its market value. As always, it's essential to consult experts or reputable numismatic sources to get an accurate appraisal of your specific coin. If you're lucky enough to have this coin in your collection, you might want to consider preserving its condition. Proper storage and handling can significantly impact its long-term value. Numismatists often recommend using coin holders or capsules to protect these precious pieces from environmental factors. And there you have it, folks, a brief overview of the 20 SEN Bank Negara Malaysia 2012 coin. Remember, the world of numismatics is not just about collecting coins. It's about exploring history, culture, and the artistry of each coin. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow coin enthusiasts. Also, don't forget to comment down below if you have any unique coins you'd like us to feature in future videos. Until next time, happy collecting!